How to activate Simly Esim 2025. Activating an Esim sounds intimidating, but Simly makes it much easier than most people expect. Most people get this wrong by overthinking it, so let's walk through the exact steps for 2025. First, make sure your phone supports Esim and is unlocked. Simly works on most modern iPhones and many Android devices. Connect your phone to Wi-Fi before starting, because activation requires an internet connection. After purchasing your Simly Esim plan, you'll receive a QR code by email. Open your phone settings and go to cellular or mobile data. Tap Add Esim or Add Mobile Plan, then choose Scan QR code. Point your camera at the Simly QR code. Within a few seconds, your phone will detect the Esim. Confirm the installation when prompted. You won't believe how fast this part usually is. Once installed, label the Esim so you can easily identify it, especially if you're using dual SIM. Set Simly as your data line, if it's for travel or temporary use. Here's the surprising truth. The Esim may not activate fully until you reach your destination country or turn on data roaming, depending on your plan. This is normal. After activation, restart your phone. Then go back to cellular settings and make sure the Simly line is enabled and data roaming is turned on. If data doesn't work immediately, toggle airplane mode on and off. This fixes most connection issues within seconds. With Simly Esim activated, you're ready to use data without physical SIM cards or roaming headaches. If this guide saved you time, subscribe for more travel-friendly mobile tips.